Hello everyone. This week, let's go straight to the cancer that wrecks more careers, projects, and even families than any recession or reorg. Poor communication. If your meetings ramble, your directions are vague, or you think everyone just gets it, you are building a house on quicksand. So today, Manager Unfiltered will show you the biggest reason for blame games, missed deadlines, and toxic frustration in most big organizations are that nobody calls out broken communication until it's too late. So let's talk about the harsh reality. Clarity is second guessed, not delivered. We say, I told them, or यार मैंने तो email भेज दिया था. But was the point direct? Did everyone understand priorities, deadlines, and even consequences? You know what I've noticed? Indian offices and households fear appearing rude. So half explanations pass for updates and status calls become storytelling marathons. And your biggest assumption? If I said it, it must be understood. No, it's only real if it lands, is retold, and leads to visible change. Now, I have paid the price as well. I've lost projects, a demotivated team, and endless rounds of यार मैंने तो बोला था. And every failure pointed to just one root cause. Somebody, which is often me, thought nodding meant understanding or silence meant agreement. Greatness happened when I started asking for playback, seeking the summary and sharing context, not just content. And let me share how poor communication triggers chaos. Because teams started chasing different goals, they start duplicating work or let balls drop while blaming unclear owners. Even low performers hide behind confusion, and even star players get burned out cleaning up unclear messes. Families breed resentment when expectations and triggers are kept implicit, not explicit. Missed context, not missed intent, ruins trust. So here's how to torch the fog now. Before every meeting, write one line outcomes and at closing, review if they happened, verbally, not in chat. And when giving instructions, use the repeat back method. Ask them, tell me how you heard it, what's next and who owns what. Demand specifics, by when, with what standard, and what if it's missed. And no more as soon as possible or let's try. Make it as binary, as crystal clear as possible. And publicly call out half-explained points. Ask, sorry, that's still unclear to me. Could you please say it in other words? And for leaders, model this every single day. If you sound unclear or ambiguous, own it and re-clarify. And don't let your title protect your ego. In your family relationship, spell out what practically needs to happen. Not just, I wish things were better. And if you find it uncomfortable, that means you and your team were on autopilot, not alignment. And that changes today. Clarity is the ultimate leadership skill. Every failed assignment, every fight, every surprise at work or home can usually be traced to muddled communication. Great leaders, great teams, and great families are not the ones who talk most. They're the ones who land their message, align actions, and kill confusion. So this week, comment below, where does poor communication sting you worst? Was it meetings, WhatsApp messages, calls, feedback, or at home? And what's your one commitment to getting radically clear, even at the risk of awkwardness? And tag anyone who needs a wake-up call or directness. And yes, call each other out. Manager Unfiltered will hammer it in. Ambition dies in confusion, and impact, it thrives in clarity. So see you next week. Till then, get uncomfortable, get clear, and watch everything change.